In this video, I'm going to show you the basic steps required for getting CSC scholarship in China. This is one of the prestigious scholarship these days in China, CSC Scholarship. Using CSC Scholarship, you can study PhD, Master or Bachelor in those Chinese universities which are affiliated with CSC, Chinese Scholarship Councils. The purpose of CSC Scholarship is to do study in Chinese universities, those universities which are affiliated, which are linked with CSC. So this scholarship basically given by Chinese government. So Chinese Scholarship Council basically awarded this scholarship to international students through those universities which are affiliated with CSC. This scholarship basically starts from December to April every year. Every year the announcement is from December to April, and usually the closing date is in July, but it depends on the universities. You have to check the universities. There are more than 250 universities, Chinese universities, which gives this scholarship to international students. Now let's get started how to apply to CSC scholarship. Follow these 6 steps. Very simple. Step number 1, find specific field in universities. Specific field, I mean specific department or your field in any university in China. You need to find, and I made many videos how to find specific university or specific department in university. It is very easy technique. You just use the Google, and Google will find you in university. If you are applying for medical, for engineering, for any kind of things, so it is very easy. Step number 2, find your professor. I explain in many videos that find supervisor and contact, write an email to him or her that you are interested to work under his or her supervision. So he or she will give you acceptance letter. This step will enhance your chances to get CSC scholarship. This is the advantages if you get this. Okay, so now third number step, fill CSC online application form via Chinese government scholarship login. You need to make an account and fill all the requirements and attach all those kind of documents. Basically there are 3 categories of CSC scholarship. CSC scholarship have 3 categories. The first one is you have to apply through Chinese embassy. If you have a diplomatic relationship with China, if you are living in Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, America, England, everywhere, so if you have a diplomatic relationship, you need to apply through embassy. That is category A. You have to select that in online application form. The second one is if you are applying through university, that is category B. And there is also category C when you are applying through other sources. So I think the best option is to apply is category B, because you are applying through category B. So this is the option which we have, because you are finding supervisor and those kind of things, so you have to select category B. The fourth step is you need to do medical tests. You have to download those form and fill those form and go to Islamabad if you are living in Pakistan. If you are in India, you go to Delhi. In Bangladesh, Dhaka. If you are United States, go to New York and other big cities. So if they have the facilities, you have to do the medical test. This is step number 4. Now step number 5 is when you've done all these things, take print of your application in all medical and all CSC scholarship form and sign by notary officer. Sign the documents, make 2 sheets. They will mention there when you are taking print, making 2 sheets or 3 sheets or 4 sheets, or if they require 1 sheet. So I think CSC scholarship require 2 sheets. Prepare 2 sheets and properly keep all the documents in the envelope. And step number 6, send all those documents to international office, IO office. Every university have and international office, student office. They only deal international students. So you need to send all those attested documents to international student office of that particular university, because you have to choose university. You can also send to more than one university, but if you choose one university, so you have to send that university, and that university has an international office, student office. They deal all the international student matter. So you have to send those documents to that international student office by some reliable courier services. Now it depends on your luck and your profile wait for CSC scholarship result. They usually announce the result, and when you are selected and when you get CSC scholarship, then you go to Chinese embassy and get the visa and fly to China. So this is a very, very simple procedure, and the next videos I will make it more clear, but these 6 tips are the basic process, the basic general criteria, step by step how to apply CSC scholarship. It's very, very clear. Thanks for watching.